Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to change the speed of a video post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest PC update. Whether you want to slow a clip down for a closer look or speed things up to save time, this new feature makes it quick and simple. Let's jump right into it. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, scroll through your timeline or visit a specific profile to find the video post you want to adjust. When you've found the right video, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a few new icons appearing on the bottom right side of the video player. These options are part of the most recent update, designed to give you more control over how you experience content. Now, look for the small gear icon. It's the Settings button. Go ahead and click it. A new menu will pop up, and in that menu, you'll see an option labeled Playback Speed. This is where the magic happens. Click Playback Speed, and you'll see a list of speed choices. You can slow the video down to half speed, or even slower if you want to analyze details, or you can increase the speed up to 2 times faster to move through the clip more quickly. Simply select the speed that suits what you want to do. Once you make your selection, the change takes effect immediately. The video will continue playing at your chosen speed, and you can adjust it anytime by going back to the same settings option. This update on X makes it much easier to watch videos the way you prefer. Whether it's slowing down sports highlights, catching every moment of a tutorial, or speeding through long clips. Experiment with different speeds and find the one that works best for you. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change a video's playback speed on X using your PC.